Okay, so yes, I took it too far, but there is a win here. Why this isn't a fail is because I've always wanted to go copper. So now I'm kind of wondering if I go literally buy a copper hair dye and just like do the whole job properly. Yeah, I really do think I want to give copper a go. I think it's quite like different and striking, and I don't know. I like a lot. Oh God, I'm nervous. What if it goes totally terrible? Okay. I'm back. Okay, firstly, I just want to say I went to 3 different supermarkets. There's only 3 out here. And that was really hard to find any colours, and it was the one place that I usually go to that actually had them. That was really hard not to pick red, because I was just like, what if this turns to crap? What if this colour doesn't work? I don't know my copper colours, like orange hair dyes, at all. I know reds really well, but then I thought if it doesn't look good, like it's going to look fine today, I'll tolerate it, I'll see how I feel, but it's easier to go red from here versus having red hair and going to copper, and I do really want to try copper. So I picked this one. It looks lighter, it won't go this light. And looking at the color guide, it's like light brown and stuff. I've obviously lifted some of my color already, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. I feel like it'll be quite vibrant orange in the front, lots of dimension, and then any colors that it's not going to pick up on, it'll just go nice, you know, at least it'll be on the same color spectrum. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my head. So I'm going to start at the top of my hair because I want that to be like really well processed. And yeah, wash it out and we'll see if we saved it. But I really like this, so I feel like I can't go wrong really. It's more just what the front does and what the rest of it lifts up to do, and I feel it's going to be very Jerry Halliwell, but yeah, I'm excited. This is kind of like a happy fail. Is it though? God, I don't know. Very orange, but I think it's exactly what I'm going to want from it. So I have to leave it on. So I started my timer when I put the first bit on. So it's on 25 minutes while that first application. So let's say like, I don't know, 20 minutes, I don't know, 10 minutes average. And then it says to leave on, so like maybe 40 minutes all up. I might leave mine for 45. Just so it's extra done, and then I'm going to wash it off and do some treatments. I've got some good ones. I've got Olaplex and stuff, so I'm just gonna do some of those before I then style it, and then I'll show you how it all looks. But I'm happy. This is exactly that like coppery tone that I wanted. It's not bright orange like I thought. It's oxidized, so it's gone down, luckily. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I suit it. That's the kind of key thing. Okay, so I'm really happy with this. I haven't seen the back. I hope it's okay. Like, I didn't take any of the color too high, and I feel like it's blended somewhat okay. Really happy with this. I was a bit worried when I washed it out they didn't leave it in long enough, but I didn't have a lot of time to play around and like leave it longer. I think I would have liked it to be like a little bit brighter maybe, but I think this is a good start. And yeah, I don't know what to say. I am stoked. I think it was like a happy accident. It was like a fail, but not a fail, because I always know going into dyeing my own hair, like worst case scenario or like alternatives and things that I can do if it doesn't quite work out. So I never go in with my heart set on a look. That's not why I do stuff, because it's box dye. I'm probably not going to achieve this like ultimate look that I want. If I wanted something specific, I would go to a salon. But if I'm just bored and playing around and sussing out products, then I am open to like dyeing my hair and going other colors. So yeah, my hair doesn't feel too bad. It's like a little bit dry, but it's not like snapping off and weird or anything disastrous. I can see if I can get you some better lighting so you can have a look at like the colors. But that's such a pretty colour. Oh yeah, that's a bit, again, that'll just be the box dye, unfortunately. There's not much I can do with that. Obviously the front's a lot brighter, which I really like. That's it. Yay, I'm stoked. I have to go now though, so if you've got any questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.